Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Alpha Garden. Today I am going to deliver a speech about Save Environment. Our environment is under distress and it is not hidden fact anymore. The threat it is facing right now is alarming and it is our duty to save it before it gets too late. As inhabitants of this earth, everyone must come together to do their bit to save our environment. After all, it is because of our activities that our ecological balance has been distributed. We must make sure that instead of over exploiting the environment's resources, we must conserve them. It is important to note that even the littlest of actions impact the environment directly or indirectly. Need to save environment. The degrading quality of life on earth is well known to all. It is all around us. One just needs to start noticing the signs. The harsh weather patterns are proof that our environment needs savings more than ever. The occurrences of natural calamities are increasing day by day, which is resulting in loss of lives. Further, the melting of glaciers is another alarming point as to why we need to save the environment. In addition to that, the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is proving to be more harmful than ever. If we don't take immediate action, we will have to face grave consequences at the hands of nature. It is rather important to note that by saving the environment, we will be saving mankind. We have to do this for our survival and not the Earth's survival. Mother Earth has survived for millions of years and will continue to do so. It is mankind that is at risk, so we must start now. Ways to save environment. We need to start with the proper handling of waste materials. To do so, one must begin with recycling and proper disposal of waste items. The use of coal must be reduced and we must switch to reusable power like hydro or solar power. This way, we can adopt a healthy and greener lifestyle on a big level. We see that cities must be planned as per the available water resources. This will help in the conservation of water resources. Avoid the using hot water and make do with cold water when possible. Further, the farmers must use organic fertilizers in place of pesticides. Further, air pollution must be reduced at all costs. Everyone must avoid taking their personal cars or bikes if possible. Try carpooling or taking public transport for the same. Do not waste electricity so as to prevent global warming. Switch off fans and lights when not in use. Unplug electrical appliances as well. Try to use recycled products so no unnecessary waste is produced. Moreover, avoid the use of plastic and switch to greener alternatives. For instance, use reusable bags and containers. Do not litter the roads and prevent your loved ones from doing so too. Most importantly, plant trees as many as you can, as the amount of carbon dioxide present in the air and the rate of deforestation happening is very disruptive. So, as the trees will enhance the air quality, we must encourage the planting of trees. Moreover, it is equally important to discourage deforestation. Every year, we are losing our forests, which carry the potential to make the air cleaner. It must begin with us and our children. Teach them from a young age to be responsible for the environment and work to save it for a better and greener future. If you like this video, please like and share. If you're watching my video for first time, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.